गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन। आज हम लोग भारत के आधुनिक इतिहास के एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। टुडे वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग दी मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्रीज एमसीक्यू which are very important for any competitive exam, whether it is SSC, CHSL, CGL, railways or ADRE 2.0, anything. So without any further delay, let's begin the video. So the question number 1, freedom fighter Shahid Bhagat Singh was associated with which of the following organization? Option A, the Swaraj Party. Option B, Indian National Congress. Option C, Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Option D, both Indian National Congress and the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. So the correct option will be Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. So Bhagat Singh इसी पार्टी से जुड़े थे. Question number 2, whose death coincided with the launch of non-cooperation movement in 1920? G.K. Gokhale, Motilal Nehru, Dadabhai Naoroji, Lokmanya Tilak. So the correct option will be Lokmanya Tilak. Question number 3, which of the three freedom fighters of India were hanged to death in Kakori train conspiracy in 1925? किन तीन स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को काकोरी ट्रेन कॉन्स्पिरेसी के लिए 1925 में फांसी का सजा सुनाया गया था? सो ऑप्शंस आर रोशन सिंह, राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल एंड अशफाक उल्ला खान. भगत सिंह, सुखदेव राजगुरु, सरदार उधम सिंह, राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल, अशफाक उल्ला खान. D number, Ram Prasad Bismil, Bhagat Singh, Ashfaq Ullah Khan. So the correct option is Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaq Ullah Khan and Roshan Singh. Question number 4, which of the Indian activist was popularly known as Lokhidwadi? So the options are Gopal Hari Deshmukh, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Feroz Shah Mehta, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So the correct option will be Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Who wrote the lyrics of National Anthem of India? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, N.E. Vasant, Rabindranath Tagore, Ram Prasad Bismil. So the correct option will be Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 6, Kesari, a newspaper started by freedom fighter Bal Gangadhar Tilak, was published in which language? केसरी कौन से भाषा में पब्लिश हुआ था? So the options are A, Bengali, B, Hindi, C, English, D, Marathi. So the correct option is Marathi. Question number 7, what was the name of the British officer who was shot by the Udham Singh? Option A, Colonel Reginald Edward Harry Dyer, John Surrenders, Sir Michael Francis O'Dyer, none of this. So the correct option will be Sir Michael Francis O'Dyer. So उद्धम सिंह ने क्यों मारा था इन ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर को? बिकॉज इन 1919 जलियांवाला बाग में एक मैसेकर हुआ था, मास किलिंग ऑफ पीपल, जहां का कमांडर था ये सर माइकल फ्रांसिस ओडायर. सो बदला लेने के लिए उद्धम सिंह शॉट डेड टू दिस ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर. Question number 8, which of the following newspaper was started in 1919 by Motilal Nehru? Young India, The Independent, Voice of India, The Leader. So the correct option will be The Independent. N.E. Vasant was associated with, N.E. Vasant कौन से मूवमेंट से जुड़ी थी? खलीफात मूवमेंट, नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट, सिविल डिसोबीडियंट मूवमेंट, होम रूल मूवमेंट. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी होम रूल मूवमेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, who of the following was called by the British to be the father of unrest? Option A, Lala Lajpat Rai, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option C, Lokmanya Tilak. Option D, Madan Mohan Malviya. So the correct option will be Lokmanya Tilak. Question number 11, which of the following statement is are true about Jawaharlal Nehru? Option A, he insisted on a secular and liberalistic approach. Option B, he imparted modern values and thoughts. Option C, he encouraged Indian industrialization. Option D, all the above are correct. So the correct option will be option D, because he insisted on the secular and the liberalistic approach. B, he imparted on the modern values and thought. C, he encouraged Indian industrialization by the first 5-year plan. Okay, question number 12, in which year Azad Hind Fauj radio service was started? Option are 1942, 1945, 1939, 1940. So the correct option will be 1942, option A. Where did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre happen? Option A, Amritsar, Punjab. B, Batianda, Punjab. C, Jalandhar, Punjab. D, Chandigarh, Punjab. So the correct option will be Amritsar, Punjab. जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर, जहां पर ढेर सारे लोगों को एक साथ मारा जाता है. दैट इंसिडेंट इज कॉल्ड मैसेकर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, व्हेन डिड मुस्लिम लीग वाज फॉर्म एंड बाय whom? ऑप्शन ए 1905 एम के गांधी, बी 1904 ए के खान, सी 1906 नवाब सलीमुल्ला, डी 1932 मोहम्मद इकबाल. So the correct option will be option B, that is Nawab Salimullah. Question number 15. When did Murle Minto reform were introduced? Option A 1909, option B 1925, option C 1908, option D 1919. So the correct option will be 1909. Question number 16. Hyung Sang is a dash traveler. Japanese, Chinese, Italian, English. So the correct option will be Chinese. Question number 17. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? WC Umesh Chandra Banerjee, B A.O. Hume, Surendranath Banerjee, Subhash Chandra Bose. So the correct option will be WC Banerjee, that is Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Question number 18. The partition of Bengal happened during the regime of बंगाल को दो भागों में डिवाइड किया गया था किसके रेजिम के अंदर? सो द ऑप्शंस आर लॉर्ड मिंटो, लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस, सी लॉर्ड कार्जन, डी लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी लॉर्ड कार्जन. व्हेन डिड गांधी जी फर्स्ट हेल्ड सत्याग्रह? ऑप्शन ए चंपारण 1917, बी डांडी, सी दिल्ली, डी मद्रास. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी चंपारण. इन विच ईयर? इन 1970. Question number 20. When did Montagu James from Reform Act, also known as Government of Act, was passed? Option A 1912, option B 1910, option C 1930, option D 1919. So the correct option will be 1919. Question number 21. रामकृष्ण मिशन was founded by. इनमें से किसने रामकृष्ण मिशन को फाउंड किया था? सो द ऑप्शंस आर ए विवेकानंद, बी मदन मोहन मालवीय, सी गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, डी नारायण मल्हर जोशी. So the correct option will be option A Vivekananda. So the real name of Vivekananda was Narendra Datta. Question number 22. Chaura Chauri incident took place in which year? 1920, 1922, 1925, D 1919. So the correct option will be 1922. East India Company was established in which year? 1400, B 1500, C 1600, D 1700. So the correct option will be 1600. Who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Options are Allen Octavian Hume, Dadabhai Naoroji, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So the correct option will be Allen Octavian Hume was the founder of Indian National Congress. Question number 25. Which movement was led by महात्मा गांधी इन 1942? महात्मा गांधी जी द्वारा 1942 में कौन सा मूवमेंट किया गया था? सो द ऑप्शंस आर नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट, सिविल डिसोबीडेंस मूवमेंट, सी क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट, डी स्वदेशी मूवमेंट. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. हु वाज द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए वेरिंग हस्टिंग, बी लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस, सी लॉर्ड वेलेस्ली, डी Lord William Bentinck. So the correct option will be Waring Hastings. Question number 27. The Indian Rebellion of 1857 started from which city? First, it was the first rebellion against the Britisher in 1857. So ये कौन सा सिटी से स्टार्ट हुआ था? ऑप्शन ए दिल्ली, बी मेरठ, सी कानपुर, डी लखनऊ. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी मेरठ. Question number 28. Who was the leader of Indian National Army? So the options are Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh. So obviously it will be Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 29. The Constitution of India was adopted on which date? Options are January 26, 1950, August 15, 1947, November 26, 1949 or December 31, 1949. So the correct option is November 26, 1949 and January 26, 1950 ko it came into force. That is why every year on 26 January we celebrate the Republic Day. So the question number 30 and the last question. Who was the first president of Indian Republic? So the options are Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. So the correct option will be Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So today we have discussed the 30 MCQs from the Indian modern history. If you find the video helpful, do subscribe and like the video. Thank you for